Hello guys. Mag-games tayo nito. Kasi guys, party na to. China yung uploading natin dito. Saka, i-comment nyo lang sa comment section. So, aram ko na guys kung paano na yung anohon. Pero, anong kaibigan ta, paano na nakapakpak? Damage. May na-damage na ata yung kapatid ko. Kaya nang dadalan nga yan. Parang luluka-lukahan. Tapos pag nang dadance, papasikaton. Tingnan, nakakot laba-laba. Napasikat. Nakaraan, nang dadance ako, nang pasikat.
Oh no! Whoa, this stuff smells like Maggie Masala. Weird. Whoa, throw that flavor. Let's check the breath meter.
Ang hirap niya.
Let's see which country's gonna pass
Yan.
this breath. It's gotta score 2 or lower on the breath meter to secure a win. It's Korea. Let's see if this little guy can be able to battle the heat. Truth-based pit.
Itong laro na ito sobrang hirap. Kung alam nyo lang, huwag nyo ito rararoin. Kasi pag niraro mo, mainis ka talaga.
It's a 3. Not strong enough. That means food wins. It's 2-1.
Hey guys, so for the video, itong game na ito, sobrang hirap niya. Ganon. Yung may pakpak. Surte, pero hindi pakpak. Kundi, maisog. So, ayun guys. Itong game ata, focus lang tayo guys. Focus na video time. Focus lang sa video.
What the fudge? Bro, what the fudge? Tanagar-arga ka ito ya. Ito pagkang arga-arga ito. Inyo.
Siyempre, para makataas. Tsaka guys, maingay pala yung TV.
Day daw.
Yung TV kaya ng joke lang.
Magal ka daw dyan.
Pangit ka.
Super tasty.
Yummy.
It's like an adult baby bottle. Delicious.
Alam ko na guys.
Let's check the before result. I'm in the Cavity zone. It's a 2. Let's see which country's better.
What?
Oh, it's Switzerland. Made in Switzerland. We got the